Digital freedom fighters, truth in the light, messages moving faster than the silence of night. Phones in the air, information on stream, organizing the people through a digital dream. From hashtags to history, voices unite. Technology amplify the call for what's right. Remember the lesson when the truth ignite. Technology can organize the fight. Yeah. Once the message travels slow through a printed page, now a moment of truth circled the globe in the age. Camera in a pocket, witness in the street. Evidence recorded every time justice meet. A generation speaking through screens and code, turning quiet frustration into stories told. Live stream moments when the truth unfold, letting the world see what power once controlled. Yeah, movements gather faster than before in time. Communities connect across state lines. Information moving through fiber and air. Truth spread wide when the people share. But technology alone ain't the change we need. It's a tool in the hands of the hearts that lead. When awareness rises and the people unite, digital voices amplify the fight. Yeah, digital freedom fighters, truth on display. Organizing the voices that refuse to stay gray. From the streets to the screens, history right. Technology can organize the fight. Yeah, digital freedom fighters, truth on display. Organizing the voices that refuse to stay gray. From the streets to the screens, history right. Technology can organize the fight. Across the ocean, people watch and learn. Solidarity spread when the lessons return. A protest here, echo somewhere else. Movements connect when the truth reveals itself. Online classrooms teaching law and rights, breaking down systems under digital lights. Young minds learning what the past concealed. History surfacing in long unrevealed. Artists, writers, thinkers, and youth, turning every platform into vessels for truth. Not just noise in the crowded stream, but voices shaping the collective dream. When communities gather around shared cause, knowledge spreads faster than unjust laws. Because truth once hidden now finds its way through networks of voices that refuse delay. Digital freedom fighters, voices unite. Screen turn the stages for justice and light. Study the lesson when the truth ignites. Technology can organize the fight, yo. Digital freedom fighters, voices unite. Screens turn the stages for justice and light. Study the lesson when the truth ignites. Technology can organize the fight. But wisdom reminds us tools need direction. Information without truth breeds confusion. So research deep before you share the news. Responsibility matters in the views you choose. Use the network to educate and build. Not just react, but sharpen the skill. Teach the youth how the systems run, so digital courage connects with wisdom. Because technology shifts with every age, but justice still written on the people's page. From printing presses to wireless streams, press travels through evolving means. So if you carry your voice through fiber and light, use it to teach, uplift, and unite. History shows how movements ignite when truth finds channels to reach the fight. From printing presses to radio waves, to the internet, the tools change, but the mission remains the same. Truth must be organized.